So how to install new MyNBA 2K companion app. So this is a new app. It was just released. It's number one in charts in sports category and MyNBA 2K. And then yeah, there are a bunch of apps in this category for each year. But now this one is released and it's quite large in size, 543 megabytes. And then you can just open it up and then you will see this is. And then this is how it looks like, and then it's just checking for updates, but I'm using iOS 14, and then you just need to accept terms, and then you can just sign in with any of those accounts. You just need to enter your credentials, and yeah, so that's what it is. And then for example, you can try to sign in with Steam. To log in, here in the bottom you also have beats, you also have music, sound effects. So that's how you get started.